Clerk will read.
Joint Resolution Number 3, resolution of the members of the Legislature meeting on May 22, 2018, for the purpose of filling the vacancy in the Office of Attorney General, providing for the procedures to be observed at such meeting.
On the resolution, all those in favor signify by saying aye. Opposed, nay. The resolution is adopted. Mr. Flanagan for an opening statement. Johnny wanted to welcome you back.
Thank you very much. Thank you to the Speaker, to all of my colleagues, and fundamentally, I'm in awe coming back for a lot of reasons. And I want to start by saying thank you to all of you. And I recognize, now completing my 32nd year in the Legislature, 16 years in the Assembly, 16 years in the Senate, one thing has remained constant. Wayne Jackson still looks like he's 25 years old. So I'm going to follow his lead, and I'm going to eat 50 bags of M&Ms every day, and I'll be just fine. But when we get, let's focus on what's real, what's important, and what's practical. We are here doing the people's business. And I'm going to repeat, we're here doing the people's business. And I'm going to digress for a second because I get to say this in the Senate, but I'm going to say it now in a joint session because we don't get together that frequently as a joint session. Everyone in this room should be proud of who they are, proud of the fact that you're an elected official, proud of the fact that you're a public servant, whether you're a Democrat or Republican, or you serve in the Assembly or the New York State Senate. Because this is what it's all about. And now we can't overlook the fact, nor should we, that we're here under unusual circumstances. And that's why we have a Constitution, that's why we abide by the rule of law, and that's why we're transacting the people's business here again today. To my colleague and my friend, the Speaker of the New York State Assembly, Carl Hastie. Carl, I want to thank you for your leadership. I want to thank you for not only acknowledging, but adhering to the rule of law. And people should understand, outside of these walls, there's a process. You get together, you figure out how to do it. You look at the Constitution, you look at the New York State statutes, then you get a good team of smart people together, and you make sure that it's done in the right way. So at the end of this session today, we will not only have appointed an interim Attorney General, but we'll have done so in a way that people can be proud of. So the process involved a number of our colleagues, and for the 4 colleagues who served from our majority in the Senate, Senator Laval, Senator Little, Senator Murphy, Senator Gallivan, I want to thank them. And they came back and reported that the process worked very well. We had stellar candidates. It was open to the public, and everyone had a chance to see. But for us in the Senate majority, we had a couple of very basic things. Number one, we wanted to have a good quality, talented, and competent person serving as interim AG. Number two, equally if not more important, number one, whomever that person may be, we wanted to make sure that they were not running for this office in November. That was a very important threshold test for us because we, and I think like many people in this room, believe that the public should make that decision. So we have followed, again, the rule of law, but we're giving the public, our constituents, our residents, our taxpayers, a chance to make the real decision when it comes to November. And all of us know, over the next couple of days, both the Republicans and Democrats have their convention where they will deliberate and we will both come up with candidates. Now, as to our nominee for today, I had a chance to speak with Ms. Underwood on the phone and a chance to talk to her in person. She's competent, she's capable, she has a stellar record, and she will be a terrific interim Attorney General. And we're lucky in that respect. So as we move forward, not only do I wish her Godspeed, but I hope that she understands what the role of the Attorney General is and what the role of that office is, and that we, meaning the Assembly and the Senate, that we enact the laws and they administer the law. They want to make the law, they should be coming to us. So again, I would repeat, we are the ones that enact the law, and we want professionals serving in that capacity to make sure that the will of the people as represented through the Assembly and the Senate gets properly implemented. So I want to again compliment the Speaker. I want to thank all of my colleagues, and I want to wish Ms. Underwood not only congratulations, but good luck, because good luck is never out of order. Mr. Speaker, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, John.